there's a print, obviously, there's parentheses, and there's the hello world, right? So I'm just going to bring out this hello world first. So hello world, like this, in this context, is what you call a string. When we go into data types, we'll talk more of strings, but just keep in mind first, this is what you call a string, because it's called a string because it's in this quotation, this quotation marks. That is why it's called a string. Even if I put, for example, if I put this same thing, if I put a number 2 like this, right, and I put this, normally this is a number without the quotation, but when there's a quotation mark around it, it becomes a string. So this is what we call data, right? So it's a data type, which is a string. So we'll go into that later on, but I just want to be quick so that we can go into the coding aspect. Now, in this print hello world, right? Whenever you run a code with print hello world, whatever is in the parentheses, right, is what would be displayed to the screen, right? It's going to be displayed to the screen. That is just a function. That is what this is doing here. It's just going to display hello world to your screen. It's not doing any other thing, right? Just going to display to your screen. And this is what you call, this is not code. This is what you call data, right? So whenever you run this, right, this is what displays on your screen. Hello world. Another thing to take note of is that this print, right, also, if you do a print with single quotation marks, hello world, it's the same thing. This and this are literally the same thing, right? So you can decide to use double quotation marks, or you can decide to use single quotation marks, whatever you want. There's no particular type you can use, but if you want to use this, fine. If you want to use this, fine. Just something to take note of. It's not really that important, right? So another important aspect or component you should take note of the print function, right? So this is like a general thing for function, but focusing on print function right now, there's what you call arguments. Arguments. Print. Now,